So, Kenny, that was footage of you from the Grand Chef Junior Championship 3 years ago.
Yeah, that was so much fun. I was making my famous puttanesca dish, which my grandmother in Naples handed down to me. You can find the recipe in my new book, Kenny Cook.
Yes, I've actually tried that recipe myself, and I can attest to the fact that it is delicious. But now let's talk about the story you came in to discuss.
Ah, yes. I was kidnapped a week ago.
Well, who did it?
Some guy named Jamie. He said that his cousin Toto was dying, and he wants his favorite meal to be his last.
They wanted me to make him my famous puttanesca pasta dish.
Or else?
I'm pretty sure he was threatening me, but I couldn't read his gestures. Point is, something bad was going to happen if I didn't cook what he wanted for Toto.
But that's not so bad. You're a culinary genius, so of course you could pull that off.
Since I've already won the championship, and I have enough money to keep me going for the next 3 decades, I might as well come clean and say it.
Say what?
I have no idea how to cook.
We're getting this, right? That's quite interesting.
I had to cook without letting them know that I was a fraud.
In the summertime, when it's hot outside, the streets are bare, there's no one there, and the valley's wide. There comes a time that two hearts will glow, live together, run forever on the open road. They gotta
This was the big moment. He was about to try my food, and if he didn't like it, I was a dead man. Mamma mia, this tastes amazing! And then Jamie tasted my pasta and said, Mamma mia, this is the best pasta I've ever had.
Are you sure that's how it went down?
No, I'm positive. And then I tasted my own pasta dish, and I was like, oh Lord, Mamma mia, this is the best pasta I've ever had.
Well then, you've been listening to the 2016 Grand Chef Junior champion, Kenny, advertising his new book, Kenny Cook, in quite a revealing interview.
That's good. That's good.
All right. Well, it'll be here for you when you wake up. All right. Tony?
Okay.
I was expecting more. All right, but I gotta head out. Okay. You're free to go. Yeah, I expect to work with the family soon. All right.
Che bella cosa da giornate sole, un'aria serena dopo una tempesta, e un'aria re